Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been 45 minutes and the oven is done. I just want to see what came about those pasteles. Remember, this is my first time doing this, so keep in mind this is hot. It's 375 in the oven and we're gonna take it out. Let's go. Okay, here we got, I made another one after I was done with you guys in the previous video. So for now I am going to take out those two that, and I can see that some of the oil did come down on it. Let's just say that I'm gonna stop. Oh, the oven is stopped already. Let's go look at these pasteles and see how good they look. Oh, bad they look. Oh, tell me how they look after. So I'm not sure, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna check it out. Okay, let's see. Pasteles, how do you look? Ooh, that doesn't look that bad. I kind of feel like you can leave them for, instead of 45 minutes like I did, you can definitely leave them for maybe like 10 minutes. I mean, 30 to 35 minutes, not that long, or even 20 minutes. I think this will be done soon too because the containers are very small. They're not as big as the other ones. So let's go and see. Hola, ¿cómo están? Aquí les estoy enseñando cómo quedaron los pasteles después de hacerlo en el horno, y vamos a ver cómo quedaron. Vamos a checar este acá, a ver cómo quedaron. Si quedaron como yo esperaba. Vamos a ver. Wow, se ve bien crunchy aquí. Oh, look at that. Does that look like pasteles? It smells like pasteles. Huele a pasteles. Vamos a ver si saben a pasteles entonces. Pero eso está caliente, so tengan cuidado. This is very hot, so be careful. Okay? I'm trying to see if I can move this here. Okay. So, this is how they look. And we're gonna check it out and see how good they are. You can definitely see the meat right there. Oop! Oh, okay, well, that fell down. I cannot grab that one.
I want to try.
That is like me trying to...
Smells good.
Smells good?
Mm-hmm. What y'all doing?
Pasteles in the oven instead of boiling it.
Cool.
Okay. You want to get a spoon? Genesis, to try it now? Well, that one fell on the floor, but doesn't matter. Este cayó en el piso, pero eso es lo que pasa cuando tú estás tratando la cosa. So get a plate so it doesn't fall on the floor again. Dame un plato, Eva.
I got it. I'm eating a bowl.
Okay, so we're gonna see how this looks.
Here you go.
Thank you, darling. This is not gonna fall again. Esto no se va a caer de nuevo, ¿no? Okay, you wanna try it? Be careful, it's very hot. Oops. It fell again. Thank God for the plate, right? Gracias a Dios por el plato. Oh, wow. That's not bad. Wanna try this, Eva?
No thanks, I'm good. It's good.
Está bueno, ¿verdad que sí? You like it?
It's a little hot.
It's very hot. We just got out of the oven. What do you think? It tastes like a kipe, right? Mmm. Mmm. Oh wow.
It's good. It's not like, I don't know if I like it a lot.
I would say leave it less time. 30 minutes instead of 45. Because it feels like a little too crunchy on top. But definitely the consistency is there. It tastes very good. Oh yeah. You definitely need to try this recipe. If you don't want to do pastel the traditional way, which could take longer than this is good. Si quieren hacer pasteles bien fácil, bien rápido, esta es la manera de hacerlo, porque No hay que hacer mucho. 45 minutos. Bueno, 30 minutos en el oven, dependiendo de qué tan grandes, porque no son muy grandes, te voy a decir la verdad. They're not that big, so you don't need to leave them that long. And on top of that you're not covering them, this is going to be done faster. 45 minutes is more than enough time. I can see that it's already done. This is amazing. I like it. And if you want, you can put a little bit of ketchup on top of it.
We'll just cut it in half.
Okay, guys, I'll see you next time on This Cocina. If no one tells you, just especially as the way you are. I hope you guys are able to reproduce this. Let me see if I can grab it because it's hot.
I'm taking some.
It's so hot. Okay, I'm gonna show you because I cannot pick it up. It's too hot. And this is how they look. And this is the other one that I made, a little one of it. Okay. Perfecto. This is wonderful. This is a perfect pasteles, and you can make them to go because they're so little and so beautiful. Estos son pasteles que tú puedes hacerlo pequeñito para cada persona individual, o lo puedes hacer para dos personas porque esto es mucha comida. Te voy a decir la verdad. This is too much food, so you might have to share with someone else. That's my recommendation. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.